Today, I am reviewing Motorola Razr Plus 2025 Hot Pink. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Motorola Razr Plus 2025 is an impressive combination of style, technology, and performance, and it immediately stands out with its eye-catching hot pink finish. This smartphone is more than just a looker. It's a powerhouse designed to handle everything from daily tasks to intensive multitasking. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor clocked at 3.01 GHz, the Razr Plus delivers smooth, lag-free performance for apps, games, streaming, and productivity. The device also comes with 256 gigabytes of internal storage, providing ample space for your photos, videos, apps, and files without worrying about running out of space. One of the standout features of the Razr Plus is its iconic foldable design. This ultra-compact flip phone is sleek, lightweight, and highly portable, making it perfect for anyone who wants a smartphone that's both stylish and convenient. The hinge has been titanium reinforced for durability, ensuring it can withstand daily use without compromising performance. Additionally, the Razr Plus has an IP48 water protection rating, meaning it's resistant to splashes and light water exposure, giving you extra peace of mind. The 6.9-inch FHD Plus POLED main display with a 165 Hz refresh rate provides a smooth, vibrant visual experience. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, the colors are vivid, and the motion is incredibly fluid. The external display is also highly functional, allowing you to access notifications, control music, and even interact with Moto AI without flipping open the device. This intelligent external screen makes multitasking easier than ever and adds convenience to everyday use. Speaking of Moto AI, Motorola has taken smart interactions to the next level. The AI features allow you to capture professional quality photos and videos effortlessly. You can take stunning shots using multiple modes, and the system helps optimize settings for the best possible results. The 50-megapixel rear camera and 32-megapixel front camera ensure you get crisp, detailed images and videos, perfect for social media, content creation, or keeping memories of life's special moments. Video recording is equally impressive, supporting 4K UHD at up to 60 frames per second, along with HDR10+4 high-quality dynamic range. Battery life on the Motorola Razr Plus is solid, thanks to its 4,000 mAh battery. It's designed to last a full day and night under typical usage, and when you need a quick boost, the 45W TurboPower charging gets you powered up quickly. The phone also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which adds extra flexibility if you need to charge other devices on the go. Connectivity and performance are top-notch, with 5G support, Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS for precise navigation. The phone's fingerprint scanner ensures secure and fast access, and the absence of a headphone jack is offset by high-quality wireless audio support. Whether you're using it for business, entertainment, photography, or just everyday life, the Motorola Razr Plus 2025 provides a seamless and premium experience. Overall, the Motorola Razr Plus 2025 Hot Pink is a perfect blend of fashion and function. It's a high-performance, foldable smartphone that stands out with its design, delivers top-tier performance with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and provides intelligent, AI-enhanced features for capturing content, staying connected, and managing your day. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines style, cutting-edge technology, and versatility, the Razr Plus 2025 is an excellent choice. In summary, this phone is for anyone who wants a premium foldable experience, great cameras, fast performance, long battery life, and smart AI features, all wrapped up in a vibrant hot pink design that's impossible to ignore. It's not just a phone, it's a statement piece that keeps up with your lifestyle, wherever life takes you.